Hello, this is Samuel Grimes, Nolan Bias, and Dylan Vogt. This is our 435 Senior Capstone project. So our project is based around something that we've all experienced, and me specifically. I work in an MSICU as an intern, and I work directly under the charge nurse. And part of the responsibility of the charge nurse in the MSICU is to lead the critical care response team. So in a hospital, no matter the floor, no matter the unit, no matter the location, whenever there is a stroke, code, or rapid, the charge nurse and I go to this. I grab a trauma bag and an iStat and have a pretty clear role of running medications, doing what the charge nurse tells me, giving the needed supplies from the trauma bag, and assisting in ways that I'm directed to. But during these codes on other floors besides the MSICU, there is often discoordination and problems with how these situations are handled in terms of people not having clear roles or a clear system of how to manage it.
Here's kind of our solution. Our healthcare challenge focuses basically on delayed responses to codes, strokes, rapid response events, along with miscommunication, role confusion, and disorganization during high acuity situations. These issues often lead to slower response times, staff being unsure of their responsibilities in the midst of the chaos, and too many people being in the room without a clear direction. So, our target population includes frontline hospital nurses and support staff working in acute care settings. So as you can see, our prototype here is a low fidelity role assignment system using color coded badges and communication systems using the Volt phone smartphones that nurses have at their job. So we have colors like black, yellow, red, green, blue, pink, and we've created badges. So basically when you start your shift, you'll pick, hey, if something goes down today, do I want to be the airway person? Do I want to be the medication person? Do I want to do compressions? So everybody knows their role before the crisis has actually started. So then you'll be wearing this badge as well. So if the issue arises, everybody knows to jump into action immediately and who's who and who's going to do what. And you have these colorful, clear badges on what you're all going to be doing in case a code happens or a rapid response happens. So this is the system we've worked out. We have descriptions on what each role does and the name of the role and all that sort of thing. So that is how this works.
So this prototype works by helping nurses initially get these responsibilities and roles, and this will improve organization in these rapid events, and the roles of people will be communicated before the event actually happens. The Volt phone will have a system where whenever there is a stroke, code, or rapid, my Volt phone gets a loud alarm, and I then see the floor and the location. But one of the things that we've kind of noticed is missing is delineating the roles between who should do what. So when we enter the room, there is miscommunication between who's going to do compressions, who's going to give meds, and these things have to be assigned in real time, which can delay the life-saving care. The badges work with the Volt system by giving the clear identifier of what each person is going to do, and this will reduce confusion and eliminate the need to assign roles in the moment when someone could actively be dying. It creates a more structured environment and helps staff respond to these events with confidence and in a way that can increase the uh, haste we have for giving this life-saving care.
So before a code occurs, nurses will select their role on their Volt phones, and all team members will be able to see those assigned roles. And then nurses will also grab the corresponding badge, such as leader, compressor, airway, med nurse, runner, or recorder. The badge role makes it immediately visible, allowing the team to function in a more organized and efficient way. This system will help to reduce chaos, improve coordination, and ensure critical tasks are completed quickly. Overall, this prototype demonstrates how structured organization and communication can improve emergency response performance.
All right, thank you everyone for watching.